Okay, so we got two Egyptian God deck boxes from Amazon. And here we have the alternate art versions of the Egyptian God cards of here. Slice of the Sky Dragon, Obelisk the Tormentor, alternate art. So let's go ahead and get into it. Awesome. Oh, okay. I should have done that the other way. Here is the awesome paper playmat that comes with basically all star decks, and it features the, everybody knows that it features the main card with that deck that comes with that deck. So this one has both of them, and it's just some quick tips. And explain some cards that come with this deck. So, but you know, the cards quite literally explain themselves. First card up is the Egyptian God card, Slicer the Sky Dragon. There you go. Slicer the Sky Dragon, and here is the alternate art form. Alright, so next card we have is called Soul Crossing, Thunderforge Attack, Millennium Seeker, Ultimate Divine Beast, Tellus the Little Angel, Reactor Slime, Harpy's Feather Duster, and that looks like it's it for the hollows. The rest are all common. We will go through them all right now. Just a nice quick overview of them all. So, Breaker, a Magical Warrior, Beast King Barbaros, Nine-Tailed Fox, Phantom Sky Blaster, Sky Card Guard, Caligo Clawcrow, Electromagnetic Turtle, Breaker, the Dark Magical Warrior, Scapegoat. This one says it's a flip effect. Flip. You can special summon any number of black sheep tokens. That's crazy. Ahriman, the Wicked Warden, ×2, ×3. Duke Shade, the Sinister Shadow Lord, Clock Wyvern, Clock Wyvern, Tiny Spirit, Swords Revealing Light, Monster Reborn, Book of Moon, Enemy Controller, Pot of Avarice, March of the Monarchs, Supply Squad, Card Advance, The True Name, One-Time Passcode, Layer of Darkness, Draw of Fate, Mirror Force, Reckless Greed, Metal Reflect Slime, The Golden Apples, Back to the Front. Okay, and then here are some promotional cards. I think it's so funny that we have sleeves, and in the show they just, have them out like that. And, they're crazy with these cards on how they treat them. They're like, I'm drawing my next card, and they bent the crap out of it, and then they pull it, and they're like, oh, right, it's my favorite freaking card. And, in the show they just bent, like I said, they bent the heck out of it. Whoa, this one does. Obelisk the Tormentor one does not open quite as nicely. Okay, box is empty. We get another paper playmat with a small overview of all the cards. There we go. And right here we have Obelisk the Tormentor. Okay. Well, here is Obelisk Tormentor and the alt form. Okay, so we get Soul Crossing again, Fist of Fate, Divine Evolution, Level Resist Wall, Angel 1, Mare, Harpy's Feather Duster, and some other good cards. So we got Nimble Momonga, 3x3, Bazoo the Soul Eater, Cyber Dragon, Hardened Arm Dragon, Super Nimble Mega Hamster, Evil Swarm, Magdradora, Photon Saber Tiger, ×2, Evil Swarm, Salamandra, Raw Disciple, ×3, Unmasked Dragon, Nimble Beaver, Condemned Witch, Gizmek Uka, the Festive Fox of Fecundity, Gizmek Makami, the Ferocious Fanged Fortress, Brain Control, Monster Reborn, Different Dimension Capsule, Pot of Avarice, Double Summon. You can conduct two. Wow, you can conduct 2 normal summons. That's insane. Forbidden Chalice, Forbidden Lands, Forbidden Dress, Supply Squad, the Monarchs Stormforth. Call of the Haunted is just like Cloning is also great. Drowning Mirror Force is cool. Call of the Haunted is just like sort of like a Monster Reborn. So this one kind of cooked better than the other one.